wrong all these years, but Buzz Cooks is here to set it right. Take a pot, fill it with cherry tomatoes.
Alright, let's get started on this tomato water pasta. We've got our cherry tomatoes. I've got about 6 of those containers. Now you can either cut them in half like this and spend your whole day chopping tomatoes in half, or do what I did, just take my Dutch oven, get it on the stove, throw my packet of cherry tomatoes in there, get my potato masher, and I'm just going to press down on them and make sure that they all snap or break. That'll help the cooking process. And we'll do this with all, whoa, that one shot right at the camera. We'll do this with all the tomatoes we got. So one by one we'll add a packet and we'll smash them down. I've got the heat turned on to medium high. And once we get all these tomatoes pressed down, we're just gonna season them with a little bit of salt. That'll help break them down while they cook. But we're just gonna add about a cup of water, and we're gonna let this cook for about 30 minutes. In total, it'll be about an hour to an hour and 20 minutes. But for the first 30 minutes, we're just gonna go with the water, a little bit of salt, and the tomatoes. Let that cook down. We'll put the lid on it and let that cook down for a little bit. And we're gonna come back, take the lid off, and we're gonna add some fresh basil. First I ripped off the stems. I'm gonna shove those in there. And then I'm gonna shove all the leaves in there. And this is gonna add tremendous flavor to this pasta water, tomato water sauce. So we'll get all the basil leaves in there. We'll mix it up real good. There we go. And we're gonna pop the lid on. And we're gonna let this baby go for at least another hour. We gotta break all those tomatoes down. And you'll see here shortly what I'm talking about. Put that lid on and we'll be right back. That's what you want right there. See how everything is broken down? So we're gonna now take our ladle. I've got a bowl with cheesecloth over the top. So we're just gonna ladle this tomato water right over to that bowl on that cheesecloth, and we're gonna start letting that strain through, because we don't want any of these clumps. We don't want any of that basil. We don't want anything but simple tomato water. So I'll let that fill up. And then what I did at the end, after I let it cool for about an hour, is I took that cheesecloth and made it into a bowl, a ball, and I just squeezed all that tomato water out. And it worked out perfectly. Look at that. It's already coming out pretty good. And just take your time. Don't rush it. Those tomatoes are smoking hot still, so you don't want to try and squeeze it into a bowl or a ball when it's this hot. Trust me, you'll burn yourself. But once we're all done with this, you're gonna have nothing but pure golden tomato water. You're gonna see right here. That is the magic right there. That is just loaded with flavor. So let's start cooking now. We're gonna get our Dutch oven out after we cleaned it up, fill it with hot water, and we're gonna start to cook our pasta. Once we bring it up to a boil, add a little bit of salt. And I'm using bucatini, but you can use whatever style pasta you like. I just happen to like bucatini. So I'm going to toss that in there. And while that pasta is cooking, I got my maiden saucepan out, and I'm gonna ladle in a couple ladlefuls of the pasta. I'm sorry, pasta. I keep saying pasta water. The tomato water. There we go. And we're gonna turn the heat on to medium and let this tomato water start to reduce a little bit. And then when our pasta's done, we're just gonna go straight from the pot straight across. We're not gonna strain the pasta water because that'll help with thickening as well. So just grab with your tongs some pasta, get it right in there with that tomato water, just like that. There we go. Then we'll start to mix that up real good. And the only thing that we're gonna add to this pasta, once we get it mixed up, is a little bit of about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of butter. But for the most part, we're just gonna mix this up and let it cook in the heat. That's also finishing cooking the pasta, but it's also thickening that tomato water because of the starch coming off the pasta. But like I said, the only thing we're gonna add to it is a couple of tablespoons of butter. And just keep mixing and mixing. And you'll see once we get the butter in there how fast that tomato water will thicken up and start to coat the pasta completely. This is an amazing, flavorful dish. Very few ingredients, but just loaded with flavor between the cherry tomatoes that cook down with the basil. I'm telling you, it is delicious. So all that's left is the plate and serve, and you've got a new awesome pasta recipe that I think everybody's gonna love. The only thing that you could do is add a little cheese on top or some red pepper flakes, but I just went plain because I just wanted to taste all that basil and tomato water. So anyways, make this dish. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. And I have a new show every Sunday and every Wednesday. And I'll see you all soon. Thank you.
It's tomato water pasta. You've been cooking pasta wrong all these years, but Buzz Cooks is here to set it right. Take a pot, fill it with cherry tomatoes.